Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a factory reset of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So this is useful if you're having some settings that you can't quite figure out how to change back, or if one of your colleagues stole your data collector and messed with all of your settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. That's going to open up my main menu from where I'm going to select the settings options, and you'll notice within the settings menu here there is a conveniently named factory reset option. I'm going to press on that. I get a message saying that it will reset my existing configuration files, settings.xml and msurvey.ini, which will reset all of my settings inside of FieldGenius. Do I want to continue? I'm going to click yes, and there you have it. The app will close and restart, and it will begin the reset of FieldGenius, and when I relaunch it, it will be back to the default settings. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you do a factory reset within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.